think we can go a little bit bigger than that because we got a bigger launching peel. So let's go about that big. We're going to put some salami on this. New York style pizza sauce and Neapolitan pizza. Some fresh, not fresh, but freshly grated whole milk mozzarella. Finally able to get me some. It's pretty difficult to get that. I usually have the skim milk type. I'm gonna put some salami. This salami was quite expensive. It's a locally made salami, and it was like it's like $9 for a small piece, probably about maybe this big. It's like $9. So, but as salamis go here in Japan, that's a little pricey. So, but I've already tasted this before. Time I made pizza previously, so I know it's good. Okay, that's all we're going to put on that. A little bit of Parmigiano there, and we're going to go ahead and show you how the peel works. Okay, so let me zoom out there and show you how that works. Okay. Still like to flour my surface. This guy has holes in it, so all that flour is going to go straight out. So. Now this peel is pretty big, so it's going to allow me to make a sizable pie. And I did go kind of big on these dough balls. These are 295 grams, which is on the big side for Neapolitan pizza. So in we go. Let's see if I can get that. Oops. Sticky there, but overall it worked well. I was fiddling around with the camera, doing some other things, so probably some of the flour kind of got moist and it got stuck there, but it's okay. All the way in there in one piece, and now I'll show you how we use this little guy, the Essenza, they're called. So, oven is pretty hot. It's a nice thing about these, are very, very lightweight. I mean, very lightweight. See, the bottom of my pie is already cooking. Charring up. Not too bad though. I'm gonna get on there a little bit more. This guy's gonna be a faster side. The instructions, you don't want to leave these peels in there that long, but under the pie and away from the direct heat, it's just fine. So let's take a look into this guy. Beautiful pizza, I think. Okay, well, that is a very nice pizza, I think, and I highly recommend these pizza peels. You can get them on the website that sold me this guy. So I mean, this is not a commercial for them, but they put out a pretty good product for the oven, and this thing has lasted me 6 years. The fire bricks are doing great, no problems there, and this thing has been through the ringer, cooking thousands and thousands of pizzas at the festivals here. plus doing my dinners every once in a while. And yeah, these pizza peels are worth it. I mean, they do the job. And like I said, this little guy is very forgiving, and this guy is wide and flexible. And I've already used this, so I already know that it's very simple and easy to use. So anyway, if you're thinking about getting yourself some pizza peels and you need a good turning peel and you're still a beginner, get this guy. And even if you're not a beginner, this guy goes great with one of these small ovens, portable ovens. And it's not going to reach into those bigger, deeper ones, but it's going to do just fine with these guys. Okay. Anyway, thanks for watching this video on these pizza peels.